Today we are going to do a grocery haul from Walmart. Now,
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared. We had to look up what grocery stores span across the U.S. that we knew that everyone would be able to grab value from.
And one came up.
And it is Walmart.
You can take what we get here and apply it to any grocery store that you shop at, and we'll just hope that the inventory is the same, roughly the same. We're going to find you like some great deals in here. We're going to find you some great, just like awesome finds, but
yes, and
any
super budget friendly. So what are our top items that we love to grab from Walmart?
What I love about Walmart is the international section. They have a really great like Mexican food, Thai food, I mean all this awesome food, and from there I get like coconut aminos, I get fish sauce, green curry paste. That's like the first place I go to is the international section, which every grocery store has. Another great thing that Walmart has is
condiments.
Well, yeah, sugar-free barbecue sauce, which we put in our meal plan. Like, you know, you don't want to bathe your food in it, but come on, you need to choke some dry
keto
meat
pizza.
down. Sometimes keto pizza is awesome to keep in your freezer. Meal on the fly if you can't, you know, cook for a night. Dairy-free yogurt I find here some of the time more than I'd say general grocery stores. I think Walmart is actually really good on the dairy-free department. Creamer, yogurt. Okay, cruciferous blend. That salad in a bag, it's like shredded up Brussels sprouts and cabbage. I put that in the air fryer. I stir fry that. I stick that in anything where I need like a vegetable on the fly. This is where they have the best selection of the cruciferous blend. Sweet potato planks, the frozen ones, if you don't want to cut up a sweet potato and make your own, I think that they have them here. Well, let's go in and see what else we can find, right?
Okay. We are pleasantly surprised that there has been a major upgrade in Walmart produce because it is all USDA organic. Every bit of this. How awesome.
Okay, right guys, cruciferous blend, anything with cabbage and Brussels sprouts, even though it comes with a flavor packet, toss the dressing they give you, it's bad. But any like shredded cabbage or anything you can stick in your air fryer, get it crispy. Yes, and you can top soup, salad, so much stuff, or just stir fry. It's awesome.
Okay, we are on Taylor's favorite aisle, which is the international aisle. Hey girl, do you squat?
You guys.
Do you squat?
I do squat. You gotta come see this. This is my favorite spice. I put this on everything. I put this on vegetables. I put this on meat. I love this. And it's got clean ingredients. Oh my gosh. This is the best. If I put anything on food, it is this. International section starts again. Curry paste. Green curry paste is different than curry sauce, which sometimes has added sugar, added oils. The paste is concentrated and brings your stir fry up like 2 levels. All right, guys, we've got 2 here. We've got liquid aminos, which is a great substitute for soy sauce. We also have fish sauce, which, I mean, yum. So a lot of stir fries have both these in them, and Walmart in the international section is a great place to find them.
What is this?
Olive oil section, second to none at Walmart, guys. This olive oil selection is like unbelievable.
Top to bottom. We spotted a gem.
All right, look, they've got sweet and spicy and original. Sugar-free barbecue. And if you guys know about clean eating, you know the value of a good mustard, and Walmart is upping its mustard game because look, curry and black truffle, right? Mustard's a great condiment.
Those are going in the cart.
Yes, they are.
Okay, we love this brand. J. Hughes is awesome. No gluten, no preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup. We have some here. Primal Kitchen, also great. Okay, great place to get spices. They have McCormick's Organic here. Awesome prices. Awesome prices.
We talk about extracts. They have maple extract, which for some reason is really hard to find. And if you use maple extract in your oats and all this other stuff, you'll never miss maple syrup, which is high in sugar. The extract is where it's at. All right, I've got a tip for you. Instant coffee, okay? We love coffee. We love smoothies. You put instant coffee in your smoothie and you can merge your caffeine and your nutrition in the morning.